Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unlock Facebook account. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser, and after opening your Chrome browser, search for Facebook Help Center. And after searching for Facebook Help Center, tap on the first option. After tapping on that option, you have to tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right. You have to tap on managing your account, and after tapping on managing your account, tap on login and password. And after tapping on login and password, now you have to tap on fix a login problem, and then tap on recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on no and then tap on others. And after typing in your problem, just tap on submit, and after some time YouTube might fix your problem. So this is how to unlock Facebook account if your account was locked. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.